Kenya will in 2 weeks start a large-scale pilot test for a malaria vaccine in the hopes of reducing the malaria disease burden. Likewise, the vaccine known as RTS will be rolled out in Malawi and Ghana. This is part of Kenya's 5-year malaria strategy, which has been launched as the world marked World Malaria Day with the theme Zero Malaria Starts With Me.
Every 2 minutes, an African child dies of malaria. This is according to the African Leaders Malaria Alliance. Worldwide, 200,000 children are estimated to die each year. And as the world marks World Malaria Day, Kenya, Ghana and Malawi now can pilot the first successfully developed vaccine to prevent malaria. The vaccine, RTS with the brand name Mosquirix, will be rolled out and administered as part of routine child immunization.
That vaccine will not be introduced across the whole country. It's only going to be done in the lake endemic region where the prevalence is highest.
Mosquirix triggers the immune system to defend itself against the first stages of malaria as soon as it enters the bloodstream through a mosquito bite. All children will receive 4 doses of the RTS.
So they'll get the first dose at 6 months, they'll get the second dose at 7 months, the third dose at 9 months, and then the 4th dose at 24 months.
Volunteer workers will definitely go through some basic training in order to do it the way it's supposed to be done, the way it is expected.
The pilot is meant to last for 2 years, targeting 360,000 children across all the 3 countries. The drug, developed by GlaxoSmithKline and Path Initiative, passed through clinical trials between 2009 and 2014 and was approved for the pilot program in 2015. But the vaccine was found to prevent approximately 4 in 10 cases of malaria. Even with the vaccines, Kenyans will still have to rely on other preventive means, including bed nets, insecticides, repellents and anti-malarial drugs.
Our vision remains a malaria-free Kenya. Our strategy is that we want to reduce malaria incidence and mortality by 75% of the levels that were there in 2016 by 2023.
Dorcas Wangira, Citizen TV.